A very good afternoon. Dutch bike blogger going home, and it's dry for the time being. We actually have a lot of wind. It's a windy day today. Well, the sun is shining now, but not so long ago we had rain, which is not what you want. What I want. I had to speed up a little. A truck on my part of the road. There was traffic coming from the other side. Now I do have the wind in my back. Wind in your back is always nice. Well, not really a topic for today. By the way, just like this morning, I'm wearing a jacket. 12, 13 degrees or something. Not sure how much, but 2 digits. Well, 3 days off. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Tomorrow, day off. Kingsday and weekend. We are very lucky that Kingsday is on the Friday. It's always on the 27th, the last 5 years. He's king for 5 years, so it's actually his birthday tomorrow. Willem-Alexander. Oh, car behind us. Well, that car was driving very fast, probably in a hurry. Well, the rest of the people going home, as you can see, it's quite busy. Bikes in front of me, bikes coming from the other way. Opposite direction, I mean. Oh, idioot. Almost hit the white car, driving like a nutter. Almost hit the white car. If didn't brake, I would have hit it. And it really hurts when you hit a car, so don't. I'd rather brake. Well, when you see this video, the video from tomorrow will be online. I'm gonna make a video of Kingsday tomorrow, Friday 27th. And this video I'm making today will be released later. You could say that's a kind of continuing error. But I wanted to post the movie from tomorrow earlier, just because I want to be accurate and up to date with that thing. There's no use in putting up a movie from a visit of the king 2 weeks later. Doesn't make sense. Pardon? Je kunt je handje ook uitsteken, toch? Not sticking out your hand and having comments afterwards. When you put your hand to the right or the left, I will take it in account. But when you assume I'm gonna know where you're going, you're wrong. So when you don't put out your hand to the left or the right, I'm going to assume you're going to the place I'm having nothing to do with you. So I assumed she was going to the right or straight, but not to the left. So that's why I shouted to her, you could have sticked out your hand. Stuck out her hand, not stick. Stuck out her hand. If you're not more clear what you are going to do, oh, I'm not going to take your troubles in account. That's why I went to the inside. Well, except from some idiots driving on the road, it's a nice day to drive my bike. Actually, with my jacket on, it's becoming a little bit warm. Okay. And the strange thing is, when I put my jacket off, put it in my backpack, it's gonna be cold. There. And there's a truck trying to park or turn or whatever. We had to pick up the trailer. Let's have a look behind me. Yes, it is. He's coupling the trailer. So that's why he was acting a little odd. Let me go have a look at the helix. Well, something has changed here. Parking spaces. Parking spaces has been made, cutouts probably for trees or something, not sure. Well, that doesn't really help a lot, so by the way, let me show you something. This is how the building is going to be looking like. An octagon. And it's something like a helix. Double helix is DNA. So that's why it's called a helix. Because it's not DNA but a single helix. Let me stand back a little bit. Because it's going very well at this point. Quite a narrow strip of land where the building is going to be put. Well, as this building is really close to my location and I'm driving past it almost every day, I will keep you informed on a regular basis. It should not be a real problem. Well, let's have a look. Some room. Give the man some room. truck driver. Oh, cars. Just a little bit of waiting. Oh. Thank you. Oh, good grief, we are gonna get rain. Well, from one building location to the other one, Molukkenstraat, something's gonna be built, houses. "64 apartments or so. Not sure for whom or who. What's the target group for the houses? I feel rain spatter coming down. That's not what I want. So, to push on a little to get to home. Well, thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you, well, tomorrow. But when you see this video, tomorrow has been posted. So I'm gonna see you, well, for sure next Monday. Thank you for watching.